If you are going to use Sennheiser DeviceHub to control your devices remotely, you first need to enroll the device to your organization inside Sennheiser DeviceHub. Before you start, here are a few prerequisites which need to be fulfilled.
Before enrolling the device, please check in the product documentation whether it is cloud compatible and ensure that the correct firmware is installed. Also verify that you are connected to the internet and that your network settings are configured according to our cloud connectivity guide. In Sennheiser DeviceHub, you either need to have created your own DeviceHub account, an organization, or have been invited to an existing one with the appropriate rights.
Devices can only be assigned to a single organization at a given time. To move a device to a different organization, it must first be disenrolled from the current one before being added to the new organization. Let us now introduce you the next steps you need to take to enroll a device.
First of all, log into your DeviceHub account. On the devices list, click Add Device to create an organization-specific enrollment code. The code is valid for 7 days and you can use it for multiple devices in that time. In the second step, go to the local user interface of the device you want to enroll. You access it through the IP address of the device and log in with the device password. Either the default password as printed on the label or the one you have configured. On the local web UI, you now enable the cloud connectivity and enter the enrollment code. And that's it. After a few seconds, your device is successfully enrolled and will appear in your DeviceHub organization, ready for you to work with it.